Free Office of the Special Prosecutor Nura Martin Pegbu and Semnu na yankom rashebeje fiemu na dom kuma na wo ho no se ene aban no wotatai aban mu adwumayefo ebie ama ono akasa bonitimu de petition ato ho se yenyi won mo emfiri ho na MPP mrashebejani ma dehye wo gushigu Hassan Tampuli na echiremu bra na budget no ho anobaba ye koso no ka bibi fa Special Prosecutor Office no ho ye ne HSC enyini free ho no ka wie Majority Chief Weapon so nia wode etudwa eni
Dom kuma wagana mrashebe fie ne ebo aban yikwedu se wono ehye onkofo bi ase na wachede church petition ahodo pese mpenyufo a wono eda institutions ahodo no wo mayimu woyi wono edifiri wono na osansem hu na mrashebe ne ojema manfa wo gushigu Hassan Tampuli edetudwa se
about 3 petitions as of today have been referred to the president for the removal of the Special Prosecutor. Mr. Speaker, this comes on the heels of the removal of the Chief Justice of the Republic of Ghana. Mr. Speaker, next on the agenda is the removal of the EC. Something is happening in this country, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, something is happening in this country.
Ahom rashebujani de momfewo Madina abaton persona Sir Francis Xavier Sosu enso ebo Office of the Special Prosecutor echiri se eni wonomoto nsa edefre emranim ni Martin Pegbu a ebra okudu ho wonomo eso ne pechi.
Mr. Speaker, again let me clarify the point that the fact that the Office of Special Prosecutor is doing the best they can within their mandate does not mean that citizens and individuals who have issues about how the Special Prosecutor is operating cannot come out to speak against them. So I was worried when people like Martin Pegbu, for example, was invited to the Special Prosecutor because he was on TV raising some allegations. These are things I believe that the Special Prosecutor must work on to shaping the perception or the public perception that is currently championing or that is currently moving or sweeping the office of the Special Prosecutor away.
When the
Office of the Special Prosecutor was being promulgated, when it was being discussed in this House, Mr. Speaker, one thing and only one thing can be the sum of the role for which the office was created: protection of the public purse. The office has deviated its course of protecting the public space.